Which one do you want to use, Ken? This one?
No, put the right there.
Okay, we're going to try our best here. Ken, my co-host Ken, he's having a whole lot of fun this morning with our monster truck setup. We just left it over from last night. This is early Sunday morning monster trucks. The scoreboard from last night's still there. We're going to run a freestyle event just as Ken wants to do it. He's going to try two at once. This is his own idea here, folks. This could get dangerous. Oh! The Avenger lands back on its wheels. He's happy with the result. You gonna try two again? Okay. Got him set up, and here they go. Oosh. Oh, 4 points. That'd be a 4-pointer for the Heartbreaker. Ken's really going hard on the Avenger and the Heartbreakers. Lining them back up. Oh, into the crowd goes Avenger, and Northern Nightmare ends up on its wheels.
No.
Uh-oh. Oh! Avenger just makes the jump. Ken, do you want to try a different jump? Oh no, he's good.
Come.
He's inviting Mummy Bear to watch this monster truck spectacle. You gonna do two at once and you show Mom?
Play.
I'm gonna watch you. Do it. Show.
Show Mummy too. Do two. Yeah, there is a bump there. Big bump. Let's see him go. You're gonna have to have breakfast soon. Oh,
Whoa.
Into the crowd. We're gonna have to fix the wall. That's good for 3 points, I think, if we were still playing last night. And the Heartbreaker got 4 points. Ken, you're having them go real fast. Gotta fix the wall.
And what do you want for breakfast?
No, I don't want this one.
Oh, this is too exciting, isn't it? Do you want some Bird Crunch? Want some Fruit Loops? Last night for supper, he wanted some Bird Crunch. Pointing at the cereal boxes. Cinnamon Toast Crunch?
Hey, you let me know when you want breakfast.
Captain Crunch? You gotta have breakfast, and then we can play this all morning, buddy. Can you say hi, by the way? My co-host Ken, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, what are we gonna do today? What did we?
Monster truck.
Monster trucks, right? And describe what we're gonna do. How are they gonna race today?
Hello, please. Hello.
Yellow.
Truck.
This is our first chance for yellow this morning.
A bump right there. A bump.
Mm-hmm. That's the bump. Okay. They go very fast. Oh, 4 points. A 4-pointer. First. Yeah. Yellow one again. Remember, it's really tough to hold 3 of them. You got 2 in your hands already. Try red one. Earnhardt truck. Okay, let's see you go. These ones are a little too small. Those ones are decorations. These Matchbox trucks, they're the ones that put together all this track. Yeah, their little tired little wheels did it. You want to use Grave Digger?
No.
No, he doesn't like Grave Digger. Dum dee doo dee dee dum dee dee doo. Okay, putting up Earnhardt. Loading him into the track. Here he goes. Oh, Ken, you didn't let him go. No, you gotta let him go. You're gonna lose your balance.
No, I don't truck. No.
Let him go. Let him go. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, up and over.
My turn. No.
Okay, can you say bye-bye?
Goodbye.
Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching the toy table. Ken's having a riot with his monster truck table.